Okay. There it is. We'll get all this stuff out. Yeah? Yep. Let's do this as straight as well. And another straight because they come down this hill quite fast. Should we watch? Hold on. Yeah. Up and down, yeah. Okay. There we go. Up and down. Do that corner there. So it comes round on itself. That's it. And down, up and down, matey. Oh, perfect there, matey. Hey. Should we do another down? We'll do another down. You find a piece? That, yes, that's right. And then back round. That's gonna. Oh no, hold on. Well, okay, hold on then. We've got to use these little straights. Should we use the little straights? I'll give you those. Okay, hold on then. I'll just try and use those ones. That's it. There we go. And some more, I've got some more. Uh-huh. Do you want that one too? Oh, that's it. Do I put one more in? That's it. Let's see. That's it, you connected. Oh, that is perfect. Watch out for this train. Uh-oh. Watch out. Oh, it's rolling. Whoa, oh, it's gonna go up and down. Down. Whoa. Oh no, it's lost its. Oh, there it is. And back around. You want all the trains? I'll get them all out for you. Hold on then. There we go. There they all are. What? It's still a car. I say you then, sorry. Silly Oscar. Woo-hoo. Choo-choo. And he's running fast. Choo. Choo. Whoa. Oh, hold on. I think we need to do a bit of. Okay, first you don't succeed, try again. That's it. There we go. I've got loads of these ones. You were putting that one up? Is that Bob? Oh no, is the battery's gone? Oh, we're gonna need some new batteries.
Yeah.
Okay, yep. We'll try and get some. Oh, nice one for putting them in order. Hey. Right, okie dokie. Radio.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Oscar. Yeah.